Yeah, sorry, there was a disturbance in the internet connection, so I had to delete it off. So today we are on this Oscar Wilde, another story on English. So we'll be doing that today, and it will be, as you know, Oscar Wilde, Oscar Fingalore, Falhati Wills Wide, from October 1854 to 30th November, 16th October 1854 to 30th November 1900, was an Irish poet and playwright. After writing different forms through the 1880s, the early he saw becoming the most popular playwrights in London. He is best remembered for his epigrams and plays, and he was died at the age of 46. He was into imprisonment for he was become a circumstance of criminal. He was in some criminal offences. Wilde's parents were Anglo-Irish intellectuals in Dublin. A young Wilde learned to speak fluent French and German, and this is how it happens. And his education was from a good school, and he was into epigram, drama, short story, criticism, journalism. Notable works are The Picture of Dorian Gray, The Importance of Being Earnest. He was married, he had two children, and that's all about him. And he was a very successful writer at one point of time. So we are going to do, this is about the Happy Prince, right? So Happy Prince is about its statue, a beautiful statue. One day a swallow stayed between the feet of the Happy Prince. Swallow is a bird, it's a good luck bird. So swallow is actually a good luck bird, and it brings good luck to the family if it's there in your house, and if it goes away from your house, that if there's something bad going to happen, it's a bad omen. So it symbolizes, actually it's a small type of bird. It's got that colorful type of body, sometimes yellow black or red black or something like that. It has been existing for a long time ago. Symbolism of it's a popular today as well also. With love, it symbolizes love, loyalty and peace. Okay, it is important to say that swallow bird spirit animals are joyful, decisive and full of hope. Okay. It actually represents spring. When springtime is coming, it comes, you can see those birds, and they show you the springtime, that springtime is coming. In old days, British origin sailors used to do tattoos of them on their hands or chests or necks, swallow. They used to believe that the swallow will come if they drown while they are in the sea. The swallow will come and carry their soul to heaven. So that's quite of a holy bird. It's known as so they sometimes fly together. They fly together sometimes. They don't. They eat together sometimes. That's a very nice type of. If you go, they are very small type of dark, glossy blue blacks, red throats. Pale underparts. Their underpart of the body where the legs are, the long tail streamers. It's got a Y type of thing or a V type of thing on their tail. They are very fast in flying. Most of the time they are on the wing. They are widespread breeding birds in the northern hemisphere, migrating in south winter. So that's all about the swan. So a large drop of water fell on the swallow when he got ready to go to sleep. The swallow learned that these were the tears falling from the Happy Prince's eyes. The happy prince told him about the misery around him, and the swallow started to stay there. Made up his mind, I'm going to stay here and see what is it uh, so problematic here for this happy prince. The happy prince gave a ruby for a poor seamstress. He gave a sapphire for a playwright and another sapphire for a match girl. The swallow carried out the prince's wishes. He also plucked out the gold leaves from the statue and gave it to the poor. He decided to go to Egypt as desired by the happy prince. Basically, the bird said that he was leaving for the house of death, and he fell down dead at the prince's feet. Just then the prince's leaden heart cracked in two parts because of hard frost. The next morning the mayor ordered it to be taken down and melted into a furnace. The broken lead heart, however, did not melt, so it was thrown into a heap of dust. The dead bird was also lying there. In heaven, God asked one of the angels to bring him two most precious things from the city. The angel carried away the broken heart and the dead bird. This is all about the story actually. Basically, we are going to read about. So I'll start reading, and gradually by the time we go, we'll come to know actually what happened out in this part. Okay, so whatever thing has been taken is all that statue which is there. The happy prince was a beautiful statue. He was covered with gold, he had sapphires for eyes and ruby in his sword. Why did he want to part with all that gold he had and his precious stones? Why did he want to part? High above the city, a tall column stood the statue of the happy prince. He was gilded all over with thin leaves of fine gold. For eyes he had two bright sapphires, and large red ruby glowed on his sword hilt. You know that part where you put in the sword, that hilt, the handle part is called the hilt. One night there flew over a little swallow. His friends had gone away to Egypt for 6 weeks before. Springtime, that said, they must have gone, but he stayed behind. Then he decided to go to Egypt too. And he also decided he wanted to go to Egypt, the bird. All day long he flew, and at night time he arrived the city. Where shall I put up? He said. Okay, I hope the town has made preparations for me. Then he saw the statue on the column. On the tall column he saw the statue. A pillar was there, a column is a four sides, it's made a column standing there. A pillar type. I will put up there, he cried. It's a fine position with plenty of fresh air. So he alighted himself just in between the legs of the happy prince. I have a golden bedroom, he said softly to himself as he looked around, and he prepared to go to sleep. Just as he was going to put his head under his wing, a large drop of water fell on him. What a curious thing, he cried. There is not a single cloud in the sky. The stars are quite clear and bright, yet it is raining. Then another drop fell. What is the use of a statue if it cannot keep the rain off? He said. I must look for a good chimney pot. And he determined to fly away. But before he had opened his wings, a third drop fell, and he looked up and saw. What did he see? So, what is this all about? There is a group of swallows who are there, and they are planning to fly off to Egypt, and his group goes away, but he stays back. He is trying to fly, but he is flying also, so he has come to a place he has to rest. It's become night. So this is that prince must have been very famous, and his statue had been made there with all golds and all his gilt and everything, the chest guard and all which was there. The clothes with the prince wear, those were his, all made with gold and very embroiderical, high with expensive metal. That's gold, silver, rubies, stones. His eyes were with ruby stones, emeralds, Sapphires. Sapphires are, the type of, they are, you have green sapphires, you have white sapphire stones, all precious stones. Rubies on his sword, and also he had slept there for the rest, and there was no clouds and it was rain happening. So, and he's very inquisitive, there's no clouds, there's rain happening. So I'll come back next class and we'll go through this. I don't want to take it fast. We'll take it slow. You also try to read and understand. So when I come back with my explanations, you'll be able to understand too. It's all about a bird and how he's thinking and how people get helped through him. So let's see what happens. So till then, take care of yourselves. Be good. Be safe. Stay home. Take care of your parents, and be happy and safe. Do whatever you want after you do your studies. Bye.